Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
When life shifts into the fast lane, time flying, and don't try to beat the boys that they.
Roy, Amber, ready? Ready! Okay, I'm going to break up the rocks around his wheel.
I think he should be coming soon.
Well, that's how I used to feel when I was driving for the Lower Belleville County Unified School District.
In a lot of years, right? I love this guy.
All spectators, clear the start line.
Man,
Smells like smoke.
Help!
And sounds like bell.
did they do it? These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's on.
1, 2, 3, a winner!
Who'll be jamming now?
That's enough. No questions, scusi. Out of the way. Back up. Back up.
Talking about thunder.
You know, because thunder always comes after lightning. Kapow!
Right there in the hood, right? You're in.
Drink. Stop at Flo's V8 Cafe. Finest fuel on Route 66.
No, we just...
Don't worry about it, kid. It's the least I could do. After all, gas can is my middle name.
It is?
Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for Mater.
Yes, I
It is the sweet taste of my homemade organic fuel.
No, doesn't agree with my tank.
Triple speed. Francesco is triple speed. A real road trip? We gotta drive it ourselves. Take our time. But wander the back road.
So he's not so good looking.
Yeah, nice try.
I'm serious.
That's why I...
Persistent little bugger for a 2-cylinder. Finally, I said, all right.
Un momento. Esos no son faros. Son tubos de escape.
I hereby dub thee Sir Tomica.
Hey! Act civilized. We got company. How about coming over here and talk to me a minute? Son, that was some real...
Mater, there's no such thing as time travel.
Pardon me, young man. You're blocking my view. Could you...
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. The queen is very sad. I will be...
This black raven, these yellow lines.
He's already here.
Welcome, everyone.